Hey guys, it's Darrell Addison at Torpedopot.com. I wanted to take a picture of my planters going to the bathroom. I have them scheduled to water at a certain period of time, and when they do, they discharge and release all of the bad water that's in their surrounding, in their environment. And so these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. We never ever water our plants again in our life, and they grow our food. This is Malabar spinach. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? And the reason why this is dripping and you don't see the water dripping off the other ones is because, well, there's a lot more plants inside of them, and it's a bigger pot. And they do great. But I wanted to catch this moment because I knew you would love this. Look at my flower pot. It's going to the bathroom. And it's doing it in public. But when it does it, it creates so many beautiful living things inside of it. Torpedo pot. Self-growing planters that grow your food for you. You don't have to grow your food anymore. Torpedo pot does it for you. Okay, you continue going to the bathroom unless you have your private time. I'm going to step away here and do what I do best, and that is disappear. I just had some of you for breakfast, and it was absolutely delicious. Talk to you guys later. Continue on.